Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of TDM Eskimo Mobile. So you think a Chromebook or Chrome OS device is for you? Before you buy anything, research the idea of changing to Chromebook or Chrome OS device. There are some things you can do now. Remember, the strategy is finding alternative solutions to mainstream solutions. How to migrate to Chrome OS. Migrating from Windows, Mac OS, or Linux OS to Chrome OS is great, since Chrome OS is an operating system mainly designed to be connected to the internet. There are things you can do to further see if Chrome OS is for you or not. What do I mean by this? 1. Test the Chrome OS idea before you buy. So do away with all other browsers but the Google Chrome browser on your PC, laptop, or Mac OS device, computer, or Mac laptop. Install Google Docs offline that works with great Chrome browser. So you're going to install your Google Chrome browser on your PC, and you're going to do away with all the other kinds of browsers for your desktop computer device. You're going to install Google Docs offline that works great with the Google Chrome browser. You're going to install the copy and paste and more things that you like. Install any other extensions you like. I use one of Office for MS Office, and you can see that right up here. Office has access to this site. Focus on using web-based Office productivity solutions and not your PC applications. But experiment with many. In the end, this will help your workflow and the product and services you choose to stick with. So I love the Android Word because you get to see the header and the footer in the document as you edit. In the web version of Word, you do not get the header and footer when you edit. You have to change the edit, how it edits, and you only get to see the header or the footer. It's not, the experience isn't not like a fluid editing applications. So with Google Docs, it's the opposite. The web version, you get to see and get the header and footer as you edit, but not in the Android version. So it is there in the document, but it's just extra work to edit the header and footer, not like in the web version of Google Docs. Use Gmail or Outlook in your browser and not install applications that work with them. So you will mainly want to try to use whatever web version of email and applications there are. So like with Gmail on your phone, try and stick to with Gmail, stick to the web version. So like if you have Outlook installed on your desktop, stick with the Outlook in the browser. Try to do everything in the browser with using Google Docs, using MS Office, using the calendars, to-do lists, the MS Tasks, or the Google Keep, all that they offer. If your phone supports web versions of the products and service, use them as well, as much as possible. So if your phone supports Gmail application, getting used to the Android version, use that on your phone. Use that on your phone with Google Keep. See how these applications and devices can help your workflow, because when you get to the Chromebook, all of them will be in one place. So we're going to focus on getting used to the web version and the Android version. It may be a little bit tricky with the phone version of applications, but this will get you used to how they work. So when you get to the Chrome OS device, Chromebook device, you will know how to use them and be familiar with them. Learn to use alternative applications for creativity and maybe productivity. So an example would be Darktable is created by photographers for photographers. Try the Windows versions to get used to it. Because on the Windows version of Darktable, you will have that same Darktable when you install it through Linux Beta. Try Android apps like Photo Director or Power Director for editing photos and videos. When you move to the Chromebook, install them through the Google Play Store. Then you have the whole Chromebook screen. In using these Android applications, you have a much bigger screen. Instead of a 6-inch-ish type size screen, now you have, like a 10-inch or 13-inch screen to use these Android applications when you get to the Chromebook. As you experiment, find an online cloud service you like. Most Chromebook or Chrome OS devices do not come with enough storage. I have an MS Office account, so I have that, but I also have a premium Google Drive account too. I find for most Android applications, if they need or access cloud storage, it's much easier with Google Drive, especially if you can do it for free, like with Android Office. The free version of Android Office, you can connect to your Google Drive account for free. If you go to a premium version, not only will you have access to your Google Drive account, but there's also Dropbox and OneDrive and more fonts. Believe it or not, you can try before you buy a Chromebook or Chrome OS device. With Chromebooks having Android support and Linux Beta getting better, solutions have grown to having and using a Chromebook. Being able to try out some open source applications for your PC or Android applications on your device, on your phone or tablet, you can see if all your needs are met before you purchase anything. Good luck. Have a great day.